with Team Man's here, and behind me is our newest listing at 1414 Pearson Springs Court here in Otay Ranch, Chula Vista. This spectacular property sits on a premium-sized lot of 6,376 square feet at the edge of a cul-de-sac with an extra-large driveway for additional parking. One of my favorite features about this neighborhood is the fact that you have so many close-by local restaurants, such as Thai food, Mexican food, Filipino food, so many different types of variety, all within walking distance of this property. So if that's important to you, you need to check out this property. You also have access to the community pool, 24-hour security, and community park.